Hello guys, good evening. We're back again. We're back again to make this drinks tonight. This drinks tonight is something like unique actually because I'm gonna use the sea grapes or the green caviar actually. This is the real sea grapes. This is not the sea grapes that we see in Cayman, the tree. This is the real one. See this? We call this in our language actually lato, but this the sea grapes. And this one is a lukot. This is the egg of the sea slug. So we have this surround in our island, over here in Dumaguete also. It's a season right now, so we have a lot of this, and it's really good for salad. And this was really good for salad also. Really, really good. I think some other places so expensive, but we just buy this like really cheap from here. It's really good for salad, and it's really healthy. And then I got a little of celery stick, actually leaves, and then lemon. And I got the Tito's vodka, really good vodka. So, and then I got the Overproof Rum, just a little of this. And then I got the blue Curacao. And then I got the juice of the sea grapes actually. I just pop in because once you eat this one, it will pop actually. Once you put the spoon also, it will pop. And then I have a juice. It's kind of really salty. It's not really salty, but it's salty. It's really good for drinks like this. And I got the tomato juice. And then I got hot sauce also. And then I really hardly pronunciation of this, like lay in French, but this Worcestershire size sauce anyway. So yeah, it's almost like a Bloody Mary or Bloody Caesar, but it's kind of different name, but it's not gonna be the same. And then I got the olives. I just need juice because I don't use the actual salt, so this kind of salty, so I use the salt this, and then this salty also, the sea grapes juice, so that's good. All right, let's begin. Ice on the glass. So by the way, if you use this as a salad actually, and this one too, just use a little bit of salt because this is already salty, and it's really good. This one is like pop in your mouth. It's like caviar, a real caviar, but these sea grapes. Ice on the glass, about a scoop of ice. Alrighty. Let me put this back in the fridge so that it will not melt. Then slice a quarter of this. This drinks actually is built, so it's not shaken, it's not, it's stirred anyway. So you have to just stir it. Smells really good. The lemon skin. The jigger of the Tito's vodka. And then half glass of the sea grapes juice. A shot glass, it's about this 30 ml, so about 45 ml of the olive juice. And I got some hot sauce. Probably depends how hot you want. So about 4 drops. And then the lean prints. I don't like to. I've hardly pronounce this sauce anyway, but you know what is this sauce. about 5 dots. And then you can pour this on top. And that's it. And then put this on top. This overproof rum. So I can put a little bit of here. And the blue Curacao also, just to add the color. To the fire. It's catching fire. See the fire? All right, this is fun right now. Don't do this at home with the kids actually, because it's really dangerous act. See the fire on top? So the lights actually is there, so that's why. So here we go. Now we have put the garnish. And then this sea slug egg. Then you got the sea grapes. Here we go. And this is your Bloody Thursday drinks anyway. So you got Bloody Mary, you got Bloody Caesar. This is gonna be a Bloody Thursday. It's Thursday today here. All right. Cheers. Enjoy. By the way, please again, don't forget to subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell button. And then please, I got my Instagram and I got my Facebook page, the Naked Mixology. Thank you so much, guys. Voila, enjoy the drinks. By the way, before I end up this session, actually, I have another good shot also that you can make for these drinks. Tito's and then the Sea Grapes. A shot of Tito's actually. Then add some hot sauce. The hot sauce is almost done. I got another one. And then this. Then add the Sea Grapes on the glass. And then the sea slug egg. This is really good shot, you know. You have to explore on this really good shot. Cheers. Good. Cheers.